Today we're going to be opening up this Batman Power City train set. So here's all the pieces that come with this set. Let's start building it. Here's a little Batman figure it comes with. Now I'm going to show you how he zip lines and jumps on the train. To the Joker Carnival! Hurry up and poison the water supply!
The Joker is poisoning the water supply. Batman, we need you. Don't worry, Gordon. I see him. Don't worry, Gordon. He won't get away with this. Wow, Batman, you really deliver.
Hey, I thought I was supposed to be the Joker.
Come on. Let's go to jail.
Thanks for watching. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.